Okay, so in this course, we are going to see the AWS performance and cyber security. We will develop a Node.js Lambda function to query a Dynamo table with a compound index and call the URL from a PHP front-end page. This is the general structure of the solution. Here we have the Dynamo non-relational plain database. We are going to learn how to define the Lambda with permissions to the Dynamo table, and how to expose the URL of the Lambda to the front end in PHP. This is the general structure of the solution that we are going to develop, and we are going to use this. This is the function that we have. We will define in Lambda. We are going to explain it step by step how we define this function as async, because it will be an asynchronous function. We'll wait for the parameters of the front end and wait for the response from the table in Dynamo. Here we have how do we write the key condition expression that we want a channel and the range of dates. We're going to explain how to do this query, and also next we are going to make a test using the parameters as a simulation, that how it comes these parameters from the front end, and we will execute the test against the Lambda function and the results that we get from the Dynamo table. Once we have this and make the configuration of security, we can go and we can do a live test using our front end, defining these parameters. Okay, so we are going to run the parameters that we define. We have to define the parameters, make the query, and this is the response that we get from the Lambda function that are coming from the Dynamo table. Okay. Also, we are going to learn how to monitor the CloudWatch and the graphics of the Lambda. Okay. And also the monitor of the marketing table to see if there is a correspondence of performance, because if there is a no correspondence of performance in read usage and invocation and durations of the Lambda function, that probably will mean it probably means that we are having a security breach, and we have to pay attention to this to this monitor. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn in this course, and I hope that you take it. And if you have any problem and or any question, you can make this on the platform.